It looks like eggs, it smells like eggs, it even tastes like eggs, but there wasn't a single chicken involved in making this breakfast. Welcome to the world of the tofu scramble, the dish that tricked the world's taste buds. For some, it's a tasteless block of bean curd. For others, it's a culinary revolution that's saving the planet. But how did a 2,000-year-old Chinese invention become the king of the American brunch table? Tofu wasn't born in a trendy vegan cafe. It was discovered by accident in a Chinese laboratory 2,000 years ago. Legend says a prince was looking for the elixir of immortality and stumbled upon bean curd instead. For centuries, it was the meat of the field for Buddhist monks who swore off violence. But in the 1970s, it crossed the ocean. Hippies in America embraced it as a middle finger to the industrial meat industry. They realized that if you crumble it, season it, and fry it, the texture mimics the most iconic breakfast food of all time, the egg. How do you turn a bland white block into a savory explosion? It's not luck, it's chemistry. First, the color. A pinch of turmeric provides that iconic golden hue that fools the eyes. But the real secret? It's a rock, specifically Kala Namak, or Himalayan black salt. This volcanic salt contains sulfur, the exact same compound that gives eggs their distinct smell and taste. Add a splash of nutritional yeast for a cheesy, nutty finish, and the illusion is complete. Tofu Scramble has broken out of the hippie cage and conquered every lifestyle. For the gym rats, it's a high-protein, zero-cholesterol muscle builder that keeps them lean. For the brunch queens, it's the star of the $20 avocado toast platter in Los Angeles and London. It's being infused with global flavors, from Mexican chorizo spices to Indian masala-style tofu burji. It is adapted to the local palate, proving that this ancient block of soy is the ultimate culinary canvas. But tofu has a PR problem. For years, rumors have swirled that soy is dangerous. The biggest fear? Man boobs. People claimed the phytoestrogens in soy would mess with human hormones. But science stepped in. Research shows that plant estrogens are 1,000 times weaker than human estrogen. In fact, Tofu Scramble is a health powerhouse, packed with iron, calcium, and zero heart-clogging cholesterol. It's a clean fuel that powers you up without the heavy food coma that usually follows a greasy egg breakfast. Today, we are witnessing the birth of Tofu 2.0. It's no longer just home cooking, it's becoming fine dining. Modern chefs are using silken tofu to create a creamy French-style scramble that melts in your mouth. Others are adding liquid gold, pumpkin puree, and cashew cream for a texture that rivals a five-star hotel breakfast. Even the skeptics are being converted by the crispy edge technique, searing the tofu for that perfect crunch. As we face a future with unstable egg prices and climate concerns, the Tofu Scramble is more than a choice. It's a solution. It's a dish that honors tradition while embracing the future. It's the breakfast of a new world. So, next time you see that white block, don't see a boring curd, see a blank canvas for your imagination. Will you take the Scramble challenge? Let us know your secret ingredients in the comments. And if you're hungry for more food secrets, hit that subscribe button. The feast has just begun.